Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to perform the sum function in Excel. Sum function is usually used to add the numbers. Let us see with an example and you will be able to understand it in a better way. For demonstration purpose, I have taken 4 columns, indeed 5 columns. Student, student 1, student 2, those details, and marks code in English, maths, science, and the total of the marks. So let us apply the formula or function here, that is equal to sum, and you can see the function describes as adds all the numbers in a range of cells. Now what we can do here is we need to open the parenthesis and you will see the parameters as number 1 comma number 2. It will continue till 255 numbers. That is, we can add 255 numbers at a one stretch. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the first one, that is English marks of the student 1, maths marks, comma, science marks. And then this will give the sum of the student 1. Similarly, we can do it for the other students. So that is equal to, copy it and paste it, and you will be able to get the sum of the student marks. This is how we will be doing the sum of the numbers. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates on Excel tutorials like this. If you have any questions on Excel, please comment in the comment section. I will prepare a video on those.